Alright guys, so I left off in the last video with having no car, and I know I asked a lot of y'all to go ahead and choose and comment down below what I was gonna get, and most of y'all chose right, but I want to show you guys the new car for the channel. It's a 2015 Audi S3. So yeah, I got an S3 guys, finally got an S-Line, and it's an S3. I kind of same platform because it's a 4-cylinder 2.0, which just makes a whole lot more horsepower, and it's a lot more beefier than what I had before. But yeah guys, this is a new vehicle for the channel, and I have a lot of things planned up for it, but let me go ahead and give you guys a quick walk around. So I don't know many specs of it yet because I'm still getting into the S3 platform and stuff like that. I learned things about it. This was kind of a buy that just came out of nowhere because my dealership had it, and I was like, yep, if I don't do this right now, I'm never gonna do it. So went ahead and jumped the gun, and this is what I came up with. But it's a 8V is what they call it. So it's before the facelift of the Audi S3. So as you can tell, it's mostly from the front. The headlights look a little bit different than other S3s if y'all seen them. But the thing with this one, I got the Prestige package, and with this package it comes with you get the choice to choose what kind of lights you want. And I guess the person who had it or spec'd it out got like the xenon lights or whatever. Honestly I don't know, but they're like super cool. At nighttime I'll show y'all them because they're really like, if you're turning, this like little side light will turn on and it'll like illuminate all the side. It's crazy. But yeah, let me go ahead and show you guys real quick things I like about it and things I'm kind of getting used to. So, but I do like quad tip exhaust and the S3 badge. It's so cool having an S3 or like a car that's S-Line, because even if it's the smallest version of the S-Line you can get, this thing's still a little monster, a little pocket rocket. But yeah, let me go ahead and show you guys the inside real quick from this angle. So this is the passenger seat. Sorry, I have my laptop and stuff like that. S3 floor mats, baby. And then these seats, this one does not come with like the, I don't know, it looks like a Cobra to me, like with like the quilted pattern and all that. But these seats are way better than what I used to have before, so it's an upgrade for me. But yeah, the S3. There's S3s everywhere on this car. Let's go ahead and go in through the driver's side. All right, so as well, S3 seat. But coolest thing, flat bottom steering wheel. I'm not used to that. And then an S3 badge on the steering wheel. S3 right there, S3 right there. There's so many S3s, like I said. But yeah, and it has a little boost gauge. This car's pretty cool. And then I always wanted this shifter and 6-speed DCT transmission. This thing's so crisp. Every time I go to shift, it's just so clean. Like before, it would have a drag. And this thing feels just like my BMW I had before. It's just so crisp, and the transmission is so good on it. But it only has 6 gears, which on freeway driving kind of gets annoying because like it's like at 2,000, 3,000. And before I used to be like at fucking 1,500 or 1,300. But whatever, you know, you lose some, you win some, and I gain a lot more capability of horsepower, and I lost, you know, economy. Another cool thing I like about this car, hopefully I have my keys. When you go to turn it on, it's so cool. Ooh, S3 right there, another S3 guys. But yeah, everyone always asks me when they get in the car, when it's off, like where's the screen? And then like, it's right there, and then you can put it away. So it's pretty cool to me. The only thing I feel weird on it is it's a little bit smaller than other cars, but the thing is still roomy. Like, but watch, let me close the door. Like my pillar's like right here, like my head's like right here, and like I don't know, let's see, yeah. But other than that, it has back seat guys. Oh, check out this bag. Talk about a party. Anyways, all black roof. Oh, like you know, this right here, because the other Audi was like a cream color, and it used to drive me crazy because it was so annoying. I don't like that color scheme. But yeah, all black inside. I am gonna go ahead and start. Will do mods in the interior, like, you know, carbon fiber, like real carbon fiber. You guys know I don't do that fake carbon fiber anymore. But yeah, real carbon fiber in the inside and stuff like that. But what else is cool about it? Oh, like dynamic mode, individual, comfort. Like it's pretty cool. Like you could change I know in dynamic it changes the exhaust note, and then in comfort mode it loosens up the steering wheel, suspension, stuff like that. So things again I never had into the Audi, so I stepped up quite a bit. But let me go ahead and go back to the outside and show you guys what I have planned and what the channel will consist of in the next coming videos. But yeah guys, what I have planned for it is, it already has one mod, and there's a video already recorded for it. Guys, this car I'm gonna record all the modifications till I do it, I promise. I'm not gonna skip out like last time when I just I showed you guys the car and I had a whole bunch of carbon fiber. But yeah, I went ahead and added spacers. As you can see, it's flush. Yeah, so 20 in the rear, 15 in the front. I'll show you guys in the next video actually, so that'll be the next video after this post. But yeah, I'll try to have at least one video or two videos out every week now, because I do have a lot more content. Before there was really not much I could do. But yeah guys, the Audi S3, I have so much stuff planned for it. Front lip, side skirts, a lot of engine mods. I have a whole lot of stuff coming in already. I ordered a whole just amount of parts for this car already, so I hope you guys are excited as I am. As you can hear, like, it's cool having a project I can go ahead and work on again, and a project that's so, like, it has a lot of stuff that can be done to it. With the A5 it was limited, I can do some things, but it was like you can go here and this is where you stop. This car, like, you can do so much to it. Like, the sky's the limit on this vehicle, especially with engine mods and stuff like that. So I want to go ahead and show you guys what I had gotten, and I hope you guys like it as much as I do. If you can, like and subscribe, helps out the channel, as you can tell, a lot. And it's just cool watching you guys like care about like the stuff I do, or if you guys want to learn about stuff like that. I will have other like videos coming up, because I will be able to do content with other people with this car, because now I can be fast and race people. So alright guys, till next time, peace. I hope you guys enjoy the content that's about to come. What's up guys? So if you're watching this, I guess you got through the whole video, and that's really cool, and that means a whole lot to me, because now I'm editing the video for the S3, and it all started with the A5. And if you came to the channel because you were looking stuff for A5 and you stayed, thank you so much. And I know you guys are gonna go ahead and step up from the A5 one day and go into something else, but having an A5 for me was like the funnest thing ever. Like, I got so many compliments in that car and stuff like that, and I just want to thank everybody who watched, and the whole car community and the A5 community. And if I did help you with anything on my channel, I want to say thanks for letting me be a part of your car. So until next time guys, thanks for watching the whole video. Peace.